Countless warnings have been issued to Calgarians in the past months in the hope of gaining voluntary compliance to the provincial health orders. We are now at a critical point in our society with COVID-19 cases soaring. Therefore, a time for education has passed. Those who are flagrantly violating the orders and bylaws will be ticketed. It must be noted that due to the safety concerns for both law enforcement and members of the community, it is not always prudent to issue a ticket at the time of an alleged offense. So, for example, during a protest or event where emotions are high, in many instances, tickets are issued in the hours or days after the infraction, based on evidence obtained at the time of the event. Please don't take the perceived appearance of lack of enforcement as a reflection of our intent to ticket those who flaunt the law. To bolster enforcement, we have re-engaged our public health compliance team who are responding to calls regarding contraventions to the recent government restrictions. We've also redeployed numerous school resource officers following provincial suspension of in-class learning in junior and senior high schools. These officers will enhance our response to COVID-19 enforcement through our patrol response teams. We will make every effort to play our part in enforcement. We know everyone is struggling right now, and our intent is not to punish, but to protect the safety of Calgarians as we work together through this pandemic.
The emphasis was lots on education during the last shutdown, but this time our peace officers are going to be focusing more on enforcement and making sure that there is strict compliance with the public health orders. We do view the enforcement of the public health order to be a shared responsibility between the Calgary Police Service, between Alberta Health Services, and our peace officers. So having our entire peace officer program being able to support the city's pandemic response will be welcomed by our partners and welcomed by us as well.
Calgarians know what to do. We know how to be responsible. We know we have a situation that is soon getting out of control, and that we should be taking action. They should be taking action. They shouldn't need a uniform to tell them to do that anymore.